Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make shallots in oil. Shallots in oil are really great for adding to a variety of foods, especially mushrooms, because it makes them taste just wonderful. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you, this is a shallot. Shallots are part of the onion family, and they have a flavor that's kind of a cross between a onion and garlic, but not quite there, but they're very, very tasty. Okay, so first things first, cut off like that. They're not like onions, so they don't peel as easily. Okay, and we take that off, and then this part off, and then I'm going to make a little slit right here, my knife, and peel off the peel. Now we see you have two bulbs of shallot, and I have a second candidate over here. Just move this over here, and we go again. And cut. It's right place right here. That's perfect. Sometimes the shallots give you a hard time. But this one is. So we're going to cut more. There we go. And this one. There we go. Yep. These. Now, this is a Xylus chopper, and these are really wonderful. You may have seen these a long time ago. You know what? They're good for chopping nuts, but the one thing they really excel at is chopping shallots. And you see how this comes out like this? You may have seen me chopping pistachios for a chicken with blue cheese risotto I made. Okay, these are not all going to fit. Yes, they will. We're going to make them fit. See? That's right, at the Good Plate, we make everything fit. All right, secure that on top and start smashing. Turn the little things so they get chopped nicely. See, I'm turning the top. How are we doing? The other thing this is great at, if you have some anxiety or something, or some stress you want to get rid of, this is a great way to do it. Okay, almost done. Let's see how they look. Aha! There's a few pieces that are still big in there. We'll keep on going. Okay, I'm gonna say, now I'm going to unscrew this, and you can see how nice these came out. Still a bit in there, and that's okay. We'll deal with that later. But the important part is now, I keep mine in a little glass jar in the refrigerator. So now we're going to take this, go like that. I'm going to get every little bit out. There we go. Now, that's done. I'm going to pour some safflower oil on that. You really want to use an oil that does not have any flavor. So avocado oil would be fine, safflower oil would be fine, even corn oil would be okay, depending on how you feel about GMOs or organic or whatever. Just olive oil is not a good idea because it has too much flavor. And just pour this over here like this. So they are all completely covered. And make sure you get any stray ones, and make sure everybody gets in the oil. And take these little guys from here and get them in there as well. In there. And put this in the sink to clean it. And I'm going to put the top on. You can see this is an old jelly jar. I think it was peaches or something originally. And now this is going to go into the refrigerator. It will last in the refrigerator for several months. And you just keep on using the shallots as you go. The great thing about this is that the oil will take on the flavor of the shallots. And that's a wonderful thing to put in food, to add it to your saute pan for a little bit of extra flavor. Okay, that's it, and we'll see you next time on The Good Plate.